Today on the Garden Fix, we're going to take a look at this silky smooth dwarf evergreen. Hi, and welcome to the Garden Fix. I'm Rob, and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. So today on the Garden Fix, I want to introduce you to one of our newest members in the garden. It is this dwarf conifer. It is called Pinus Strobus Vercurve. Now, we were lucky enough to spot this in one of our local nurseries, and I was immediately drawn to it because of its bluish green foliage. And what really attracted me the most is when we got over to it and we touched it, and it was so soft, and it was really, really hard to not want to take this guy home. So Pinus strobus Vercurve can grow to a height of about 3 to 5 feet tall and 4 to 6 feet wide. As you can see, it has these beautiful bluish needles, and it grows in a compact globe form. Now, if you don't want it to get that large, you can prune it, and I would prune it in late winter. Some people actually prune these into interesting topiaries, and I have not ruled that out yet. So let's talk about the growing conditions. Pinus strobus Vercurve is hardy in zones 3 through 8. Now, when you initially plant it, you want to make sure you give it enough water, and you want to make sure that the soil is very well drained. You want to put this guy in full sun, make sure it gets at least 6 hours of sunlight every day. It'll really thrive in normal to loamy soil conditions. So if you have really compacted clay soil, you might want to amend that soil. So it's also very disease resistant and also deer and rabbit resistant. So I have to say that once you get this guy established, it's very low maintenance. So if you get one of these, you definitely want to put it someplace where people are going to see it. You want to showcase this plant because people are going to want to talk about it. It is a great showcase plant. It would make a great addition to any sunny garden. So one of the other cool things is once this gets a little bit bigger, this is going to make an ideal home for little birds. All right, guys, there you go. The perfect plant as a centerpiece for your sunny garden. Your neighbors will love it. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and until next time, I'll meet you in the garden.